Hey guys, it's Heather. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you a really exciting project. I am making over my closet top to bottom, and I filmed us taking down all the wire shelving and then having all of this new shelving put in and then how I have it organized. I'll take you through the process so you can see the before and after. So here's the before with the wire shelving. I know what you're thinking, that it looks organized, and the fact is it just could use some improvement with a custom design. The custom design of the cabinets will give more storage within the closet, and not to mention this wire shelving, it might just fall off the wall because of the weight of the clothes. No lie, this has happened to me before at 3 o'clock in the morning at my old house. All of my shelving got ripped off the wall due to the weight, and I know it could be something to do with maybe the builder not putting it in properly or whatnot. But anyway, I really don't want to take a chance with that again. So for the closet design, we decided to go with Closets by Design. We used them in our previous home and we love them. We worked with the same designer. I will link her down below if you are in the New Jersey area and you wanted to work with her. So the size of my closet is 4.5 feet by 6 feet. What we did was we kind of just went in the closet. The designer worked with what I had and what I needed, and I wanted to make sure I had enough hanging space, and I also wanted to make sure I had enough shelving and rooms for my shoes. So it's really kind of maximizing the space and getting the most out of the space and custom to your needs. So that's what's really good about going with Closets by Design and working with a designer. So this is the plan that was mapped out for my closet. Everything's measured out. We went through everything, so I had an idea where I'm gonna put my pants, my long hangs, and things like that. And then over here shows the whole closet. So this is where my shoes are gonna go and my long hangs. And then here I'm gonna have 4 drawers with shelving above and then some more long hangs over there. So here's the more detailed drawing of the closet, and it shows the height and the widths of each side and shows exactly what the spacing is for my shoes. She literally measured all my boots, all my shoes, everything, and made sure that it is gonna work once it's installed and I will be able to fit everything in perfectly. And then in the middle, I decided to have rows of shelving to keep my purses, and then here are the drawers that I had put in. And I ended up using the same exact hardware that I used in my bathroom. So I sent the hardware to them ahead of time so that they could pre-drill the holes in. So now I'm gonna show you the final result. Out of respect for the installer's privacy, I did not film them installing the closet. Okay, so everything is installed. I worked with Closets by Design. I have the drawers, and then I have shelving above the drawers. And then I have a few sections for hanging things, as well as some more shelving up top. And on this side, I have tons of shelving for shoes, and then just some more racks for hanging. So I'm gonna get into the organizing, and I will show you where I put everything, and then at the end, I will show you the final result. So as I start organizing my closet, it really is trial and error. Even though I worked with the designer and we kind of went through everything to make sure that everything would fit, there are a couple instances where I've had to kind of move things around, no big deal. I like to keep everything color coded, so I keep like my whites and my creams and my tans all together. And then I keep my gray and my blacks directly below. Moving on to my color tops, I like to organize using the color wheel method. So I do my yellows into oranges, into reds, into purples, into pinks, and then down below I have my blues and my greens. And I've been organizing this way using the color wheel method and then separating my blacks and my whites probably for over 20 years now, since I was in middle school. And I had this shelving put in specifically for my bags. And what I really like about this design is that the shelves are adjustable. So as my style changes or the bags that I get change, I can easily adjust those shelves to accommodate what I need to store in that space. I ended up picking up 2 little white baskets from Target. I thought that they would look really cute there on the bottom, and I can store like my hats and my gloves and accessories and things like that. So I actually ended up moving my dress pants directly up top. It just fit better, and then I can just have my long hang dresses and some coats down on the bottom rack. So I'm actually trying out a new method to store my bathing suits. I am using Ziploc sandwich bags. I know it seems crazy, but I really like the way they keep all my bathing suits together and nice and neat and organized. This way I can just look in my drawer and grab exactly what I want to wear. So moving on to my shoes, I organize these by height. So down towards the bottom are my tallest boots, moving up to wedges, and then pumps, open-toed shoes, and then eventually up to sneakers. I did end up moving my jeans up above my sneakers so that they're right in line with my dress pants. It was just a better fit for this space. And then I ended up putting my sweatshirts up above my tops. Okay guys, so here is the final result. I had so much fun doing this project. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I hope you'll subscribe for more videos. I will also link down below the hangers that I use in my closet if you're interested. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.